Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of heartwarming acts of kindness. Let's kick things off with a touching clip of a stranger lending a helping hand to someone in need. Get ready to feel all warm and fuzzy inside. In today's fast-paced and busy world, it's easy to get caught up in our own lives and forget to show empathy towards others. The lack of compassion and kindness can leave many feeling isolated and unseen. We are faced with a challenge to spread more kindness and remind each other of the importance of caring for one another. Now, let's shift our focus to the heartwarming moments captured on camera that restore our faith in humanity. From strangers paying for each other's groceries to individuals offering a helping hand to those in need, these acts of kindness are a reminder that goodness still exists in the world. It's truly inspiring to witness the selfless actions of everyday people who choose to make a positive impact on someone else's day. And now, brace yourself for a truly touching moment that will tug at your heartstrings. Watch as a recipient's life is visibly transformed by a stranger's act of generosity. Whether it's a simple gesture or a grand gesture, the impact of kindness is profound and can create a ripple effect of positivity that spreads far and wide. As we come to the end of our journey through these heartwarming acts of kindness, let's remember the importance of spreading love and compassion wherever we go. Small actions, like a smile or a helping hand, can make a significant difference in someone's life. Let's continue to be the light in someone else's darkness and spread kindness wherever we go. We want to hear from you. Share your own stories of kindness in the comments below, and let's keep the positivity flowing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more heartwarming content that will warm your soul. Together, let's make the world a kinder and more compassionate place. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.